How to change your password on Spotify. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel App Guide. In today's video we are going to be discussing how we can change our password for Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now remember that if you've been trying to change the password from the Spotify app, you will not be able to do so because the application does not feature you the option to change your password. The only way to change your password on Spotify is to simply sign in from your browser and then do so accordingly. So just head over to spotify.com, make sure that you're signed into the account, and now if you want to change the password, tap the gear icon from the very top right hand side of the screen, then go to this option known as view account here. Once you go to this view account option, right over here you'll be able to find this option known as account overview. Just tap on it, open the drop down menu, go to this option known as change password here, and as you go to change password option, all you have to do is simply make sure to enter your current password. Once you enter the current password, enter the new password you would like to change to, repeat the new password, tap on the set new password option, and your password will be successfully changed. This way you can change your password on Spotify. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. I'll be happy to answer them all. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.